If you want AnyDesk to stop asking for permission every time you connect, the fix is to set up unattended access the right way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make AnyDesk not ask for permission so you can connect faster and control the remote computer without waiting for someone to approve the session each time. This is especially useful for your own devices, work machines, or any computer you regularly manage remotely. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, open AnyDesk on the computer you want to access remotely. This is the machine that will receive the connection, so make sure the app is fully loaded before you continue. Once AnyDesk opens, look to the top right corner and click the menu icon. From the menu, choose Settings. This is where you'll find the security options that control how connections are handled. Depending on your version of AnyDesk, you may see a tab called Security or Access. Click into that section. If the settings are locked, you'll need to click Unlock first. At that point, your computer may ask for administrator approval, so go ahead and confirm the prompt if it appears. This step is important because you need permission to change remote access settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Unattended Access section. This is the feature that allows you to connect without someone manually accepting the session on the other end. When you enable this properly, AnyDesk will no longer ask for permission every time you try to connect from another device. Next, click Set Password. Choose a strong password that you can remember, but make sure it is secure enough that other people cannot guess it easily. Type the password in, then confirm it exactly the same way. This password is what you'll use later when connecting remotely, so keep it safe and don't share it with anyone you don't trust. After that, look for the Permission Profile option. If you want full remote control, select Full Access. This gives you broad control over the remote computer, which is ideal if you need to manage files, use programs, or handle system tasks without interruptions. Once you've selected the profile you want, click Apply to save the changes. Now it's time to test everything from a second device. Open AnyDesk on your other computer, then enter the AnyDesk address of the remote machine. Click Connect, and instead of waiting for someone to approve the session, you should be prompted to enter the unattended access password you just created. Type that password in carefully and continue. If everything was set up correctly, the connection should open without the remote computer asking for manual permission. That means you've successfully configured AnyDesk for unattended access, which is the key to making it stop asking for approval each time. If it still asks for permission, go back and double check that unattended access is enabled, the password is saved, and the correct permission profile is applied. And that's it. You now know how to make AnyDesk not ask for permission by enabling unattended access and setting the right access controls. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.